What is yoga? Is it twisting our body in impossible postures or meditating for a long time without any food, water, or sleep? No, the answer to what yoga is was given by Maharshi Patanjali, who is often considered the founder of the yoga school of philosophy. In the Yoga Sutras, Patanjali writes, Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha, which means that yoga is the cessation of the modifications of the mind. Well, it does sound complicated, right? So Maharshi Vyas, who was the first commentator on the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, states that Yuja Samadhi Yoga, which means yoga is the highest state of concentration. Okay, this made matters a bit simpler. Well, to make it more simple, in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says that Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam, which means that excellence in whatever we do is yoga. And further, it is also said that Samatvam Yoga Uchyate, which means that equanimity of the mind is yoga. Maintaining our composure and clarity at all times is yoga. Well, this does sound like a lot in today's busy world. So, how can we inculcate yoga in whatever we do every day? The answer is very simple. Yoga can also very simply be understood as mindfulness. Hence, being present in the moment and being mindful about whatever we do can simply be said to be yoga.